Bath cleaning. The main purpose of this task is to ensure that any harmful bacteria is removed. Before you start work, check the appropriate safe system of work, including the chemical safety datasheet, COSH assessment and risk assessment before commencing the task. Ventilate the area where possible. Clean your hands as per the local policy. Check for cuts and abrasions and cover with a waterproof dressing if required. Select, check and put on the appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment. Please refer to the National Standards for Healthcare Cleanliness. Assemble the colour-coded equipment and/or machinery. Using appropriate PPE, prepare the approved cleaning disinfecting agent according to the manufacturer's instructions. Place the caution signs. Ensure cleaning, chemicals and disinfecting agents are kept safely locked away, either in the trolley or cleaning cupboard at all times, including in between tasks. Check for any damage to the area and report it in line with your local policy. If you notice any signs of pest infestation, report it as required. The tools you'll need for cleaning a bath are caution signs, appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment, bucket with cleaning disinfecting agent, cloths or disposable cloths, descaling agent. We'll now talk you through how to clean a bath. Make sure the work area is safe. Please follow the local water management policy. Using the first clean cloth, clean the taps. Check the taps for limescale and as required apply limescale remover as per the manufacturer's instructions and leave to react whilst you clean the rest of the bath. Remove any debris from the plug hole and overflow. Refer to your local policy. If using gloves to remove debris, remove your gloves, clean your hands and put on clean gloves to continue. Using a second clean cloth, work from the outside in and damp wipe all outer areas of the bath. Change the cloth or folded cloth side as required and continue to clean the bath. Pay attention to the overflow, plug, chain and clean the plug hole and drain last. Using a third clean cloth, dampen and wipe off the limescale remover from the taps and rinse with clean water. Reinstate the area for use. When you've finished, check all areas are completed, correctly dispose of or clean materials used as per your local policy. Always check with your supervisor if you're unsure. Dispose of any waste or debris as per your local policy. If you're using cleaning disinfecting agents, ensure you lock them away safely. Clean and dry all the equipment. Clean and remove the caution signs when the area is safe and dry. Store the equipment safely. Charge battery or machinery as per the manufacturer's instructions. Correctly dispose of all PPE. Clean your hands. Close the ventilation where necessary.